Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nagasha Dena, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And then of course, let me know in the comment section what you'd love to see and what you think as well. Yes, but subscribe right now, and then don't forget to give me a thumbs up as well on each and every video you watch. Yes, so in today's video I'll be showing you how to make an orange smoothie. So have you ever wondered why we are always advised to take oranges? I'm going to put functions of oranges in the description below, so in case you didn't know, you can check right now and read through as you're watching the video as well. Get to the smaller screen right here. Yes, so all you need is sugar, ice cubes, orange, and milk as well. So I'm going to mix this up, all of the ingredients in a blender, and I'm going to blend them. Yes, how about we get to a bigger screen, and I grab my orange smoothie. Yes, it's right here, and you're supposed to add honey as well. However, I didn't talk about it in the first place, but then I showed you you're supposed to add it there as well. So this is it. This tastes good, and it's good for your health as well. Yes, so thank you for watching, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and then of course don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and let's meet in the next video. And and if you're interested in pink lips and the hand cream as well, yes, you know what to do. Email me at nagashaadena46@gmail.com. Yes, I'll put it in the description as well. And on Instagram, it's Nagasha Adena, the same spelling as it's on YouTube, Nagasha Adena. And yes, so let's meet in the next video.